do here is go back.
Welcome to Yogurtland. Yogurtland is a self-serve yogurt. You can put as much yogurt in the cup can fit. The yogurt is healthier and more tastier version of ice cream. We have a large variety of toppings. We have Oreos, fruits, and more.
Visit us at 19554 First Avenue Suite A4 in Capitola, or call us at 831-462-3100.
You know what sounds so good? Kettle corn.
I know a guy that can make him fat.
Bro, no way.
His friend owns his own business.
Text him right now, bro. I'm hungry.
I got your kettle corn.
That looks so good.
Come find our concession stand at local events like carnivals and fairs. Come get your high quality kettle corn from coast to coast.
We fob the most.
Santa Cruz LiveScan is a fingerprinting business that is different than the others in Santa Cruz. It has mobile scans as well as it has an office. Santa Cruz LiveScan is located in downtown Santa Cruz, 877 Cedar Street inside the Cruzio building. This is where people who need a fingerprint come in and get a scan. You do not need to call to cruise into the office. Office hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Santa Cruz LiveScan's phone number is 831-621-5041, Call anytime for any questions.
Are you trying to satisfy your sweet tooth? The Marinis at the Beach is the place for you. Pick from a wide selection from candy apples, gummies, chocolates, and all the way to taffy. Here at Marini's, we put love into every cotton candy that we make right here in front of the store. Make sure to visit us at the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. Marini's is also hiring all season round, flexible hours starting at $12 an hour. Contact us now for more information.
Claudio França, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, located in Santa Cruz, San Jose, and Watsonville. Here at Claudio França, we offer classes to all ages over 4 years old. Also, first class is on us. Claudio França, the owner of the schools, has been doing jiu-jitsu for over 40 years and has been at the rank of black belt for over 20. We have adult classes every morning and evening, except for Sundays. And we offer classes to kids every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Claudio França. Come roll with us.
Welcome to Seascape Village Wine and Spirits, where the staff is friendly and the products available are the best of its kind. Finding a good selection of wine, spirits, snacks, non-alcoholic beverages, and much, much more is hard to find nowadays in the society that we live in. At Seascape Village Wine and Spirits, all these options are available at your service at great affordable prices. Located in the beautiful Seascape Village Wine and Spirits has the best selection of products proven to make any type of event you are throwing a great success. Stop by at 20 Seascape Resort Drive, Aptos, California 95003, or call 831-662-9108 for any questions.
Welcome to the Seascape Sports Club. Here at the Sports Club, we have many fun things to offer, such as pools, tennis courts, gyms with state-of-the-art cardio equipment, a volleyball court, a bar and bistro, as well as a daycare for your kids. And what other gym can offer an ocean view while you work out? Call or visit the Seascape Sports Club website for more information.
Welcome to Central Coast Cotillion, where we build confidence, courtesy, and character in teens and young adults as they learn basic and necessary social courtesies such as greetings, posture, conversation skills, dining skills, and more, as well as the basic steps to ballroom dances, all in a fun, relaxed environment with their peers. Classes are held once a month on Monday nights at the Best Western Seacliff Inn in Aptos. To reserve a private booking, register for a class, or learn more, visit centralcoastcotillion.com.
Little Sprouts Preschool is a high-quality program that strives to develop the whole child. It is carefully designed to support students' various interests and talents, as well as their emotional and inner development. Little Sprouts inspires education through hands-on play and learning activities, as well as exceptional care and a loving and supportive environment where your children can blossom. We offer part-time enrollment, organic snacks and lunches, a country-like environment, a small class size, and a diverse and exciting curriculum, including yoga and lessons in mindfulness. If you are looking for an exceptional program for your preschooler, go to www.littlesproutspreschool.com.
ShipSmart packs crates and ships antiques, artwork, electronics, and more. The office is located on 783 Rio Del Mar Boulevard, Suite 9, Aptos 95003. If you need to ship items that are too large or fragile for UPS but too small to meet large moving company minimums, call 1-800-554-5574.
Welcome to Pleasant Valley Horse Club, where you ride, play, and so much more, which includes educational facts about horses and how to put tack on them. When you have enough experience, you will take more advanced courses. Contact them now. Call 831-763-2733. And again, that is 831-763-2733. Or email them at phc@leo.com. And again, that is phc@leo.com. For more information, look on their website at www.pleasantvalleykidsclub.com.
We're at Subway on 1200 41st Avenue in Capitola. Let's see what they have to offer. Looks like they have a wide selection of different breads that you can choose from, as well as chicken and broccoli soup. They also have a variety of different sandwiches that you can choose from, along with the fresh value meals, which sells a 6-inch sub, drink, and chips for only $6.53 after tax. Many different chip options to choose from, like classic Lay's, jalapeno, salt and vinegar, and much more. Freshly baked cookies are made every morning. They're delicious. So come on into Subway on 41st. Subway, eat fresh.
Welcome to Wonderland in Soquel, a great little area off Soquel Drive near the highway. They have toys, classroom supplies, and teacher resources for school. Or if you're not into that, they also have fun learning devices, books, or activities for all ages. Looking to paint something new or jot down ideas? They have canvases and drawing paper to make your ideas come to life.
Friendly staff is waiting to meet you, and a perfect 5-star rating won't have you doubting if you came to the right place. Come on down to Wonderland at SoCal.
Come to Santa Cruz LiveScan for all your fingerprinting needs. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., located at 877 Cedar Street, Santa Cruz, California. Call 831-621-5041 for more information.
Welcome to Tiny Dancer Ballet School, where creativity thrives and dreams come true. Here at Tiny Dancer Ballet School, we provide acrobatics, ballet, hip-hop, jazz, and tap for ages 2 to 16. Call us at 831-222-0082.
Are you tired and just need a break? Well, you've came to the right place. Come down to the Prop Top Nails where you will get treated just right for the day. Service where you can have a relaxation evening to come with your friends and family to get your nails done for an affordable price. So don't hesitate and come have a great time here at Pro Top Nails, located in Watsonville. For more information, you can visit their website. If you have questions or concerns, call at 831-724-4977.
Man, I don't know any place to go grab a good bite to eat and watch the football game.
Well, why don't we go grab a burger at Carmona's?
Sounds like a great idea.
Carmona's is the place to go when you're craving good old American barbecue. Since 2012, Carmona's has held quality local dining and hospitality as its top priority. They offer high-quality meats, award-winning clam chowder, and exquisite salad selections.
Hey man, that was a good burger.
I was guessing you would say that.
What are you waiting for? Bring the gang on down to Carmona's Barbecue, or just call us.
If you're looking to get your driver's license but don't have the required hours of behind-the-wheel training, enroll at Surf Check Driving School. With experienced instructors, your choice of lesson time and meeting place, you are guaranteed to get your license faster than. Visit our website for more information or call at 831-566-0214.